Hey guys, it's Carter, and today I'm coming at you outside in Winnipeg, Manitoba. It's about 37 degrees out here, so I thought I'd make the video outside. That's about 100 degrees Fahrenheit for my American friends. And if you don't remember what I had to say last time about the S&P 500, no problem. Let's give you a quick recap. So yeah, at the moment on the daily chart, in the days to come, maybe some consolidation to downside towards the $7,000 level once again, before we continue to grind higher in the weeks and months to come on the S&P 500 is what I anticipate occurring. So as you can see, we called for a little bit of a pullback in the weeks and months to come in my last video a couple months ago when I made that video. And now what I'm seeing on the S&P 500 looks pretty good. We're looking at the SPY. This is the S&P 500 tracking ETF I use to trade. And I gotta say, the next days and weeks look so bright that you might even need shades for the next move. So what am I seeing in the charts? Join me in this video. It should be quite interesting. All right, so here we are looking at the chart of the SPY trading at 755, and you can see we saw a nice couple pair of corrections here. So this looks like an A, B, C correction. Terrible B, by the way, but it looks like an ABC correction that has occurred in an uptrend, and this likely means that we have not formed a top in this market. It likely means that the upside bounce is going to continue in the coming days and weeks. I would like to see a little bit more bounce above this resistance level here to really confirm that we are on the break to the upside, but we have seen the break of this bull flag channel, and I do believe we are likely heading to higher levels in the days and weeks to come. So I do believe we are on the grind to the upside, and that is provided we don't see a drop below this support down here. It's around 700, 690. As long as we hold this level to the downside on any pullback, then I believe we're going to see an upside grind continue in the days and weeks to come. I don't even believe it's likely that we are going to drop this low anymore at 715 before we do make an all-time high here on the SPY. However, as long as the SPY holds 690 to 700 support, we are going to see a grind to the upside continue. That's the most probable path here. So in the days and weeks to come, I do think the market is going to see quite the nice lift towards the $805 resistance level. So this is a key resistance here on the daily chart. The weekly chart resistance levels are slightly below it, if you remember my last video. So a move up to 805, this resistance up here, might be incredibly short-lived. So be cautious about that. The 805 resistance level, if the market can head here, if the SPY can head here, is a level I will be lots less exposed if we get there. But for now, because we've seen a corrective pullback in an uptrend, I believe we can milk the most out of this opportunity and see the upside grind continue. But be cautious when we get to this areola around 805, because I do believe a major top will form in the later part of this year, and it could be around this resistance where we start to see a top form and impulsive downside begin. So that's all I got in this video. Take care, have a good one, and enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe in the markets.